Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Yeah, we got a little something different today. Gotta get my boy out there, get his feet wet. Yeah. He's in his teens now. That's my boy though. Man, RP. Yeah. That's what we got going on today. Quick view. Oh. Beautiful day. Finally stopped raining in Cali. Ooh. Yeah, she ready. Ooh, she ready. Ooh, I like that one. I want that one. Ooh. She a bad one. Ooh, a little update on this one. This ain't even about this, but you know. Got the Neos. See if y'all can see that. Yeah. Got the little Neo BOs. I took out the woofers out of there. That was a waste. But yeah, man, it's another beautiful day. Ooh, we'll get back to these later. Yeah. Y'all got a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be my neighbor? That's what we got going on, yo. Ooh, she's still here. Yeah, it's my low rider. She's just gotta get cleaned up. But yeah, it's where we at now. Mini bike time. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So, my boy, 13. He almost 6 foot tall or so. So, bam. Brand new frame. Got the T-bars, got that from BAM, Back Alley Mini Bikes. They're close to where I live. I got that seat from the man around here. Give him his props. JB Seats. JB Seats. You'll make whatever you want. Bam. Now the frame, I'm gonna paint it. I try to match it as close as I could. That's about as good as it gets. But before, the reason I put the wheelie bar is because, bam. Everybody said don't do it, but we gonna do it. We gonna do it. Gotta clean her up. Gonna paint this same color right there. I'm debating about painting this because I want everything too blue. Got this from Amazon. This is almost a little more than a gallon, half a gallon. I got the 40 chain. Got the T-bars from BAM also. So the larger T-bars. Bam. I know she's a little rusty. I had her outside, but we'll clean her up. We got the pipe from Volt. You can check all them out on Instagram. I'm gonna paint this too. Paint this on here. Paint this. I might paint this. I doubt it though, but bam. That's the setup so far. The 6-inch tire. Brand new. Brand new. But I'm gonna change it for the Hoosier. Hoosier's a little wider is what they say, so I'm gonna get the Hoosier today for my son. And then, of course, we got the front one. It's all brand new. Oh, Rabbit, man, what you doing, man? You want a mini bike too? Yeah, that's where we at. So I'll clean the frame up. To clean the frame up, I'm just gonna use this brake clean. Get all the oils off of it. I do gotta take the red tire off. I wish it was blue to match, but no biggie. I'm sure I could get one later. That looks like I think it's a roller skate wheel or something. We'll see what's up. Right here we got the hand controls. Tell you regular taper, where everybody run. Nothing fancy. You're just learning. Later on we'll get on some better stuff. Just gonna match everything up right now. Bam. And shit, it's gonna come together. I gotta get the 4 bolts for the engine. I get the 4 bolts for the engine so I can mount it. Gotta get the locking nuts for the wheels. Gotta get the spring for the brake spring. And that's pretty much it. We'll be rolling after this. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on slow-mo, clean her up, get her ready for paint. I gotta cover up Becky though. I don't want Becky to get messed up. Yeah, man, I got wheels and tires, all kind of new shit. But yeah, man, like, subscribe to the video. It's going down. It's gonna be a beast. Hold my boy ready. Ooh, I tried to I wanted to put some rear brake, a hand brake for it, but it said my tire was too wide. So I don't want to put a smaller tire. They said don't do a front brake because of whatever, yada yada, but I think I'm gonna do the front brake. Oh well, it is what it is. Because I don't, with that engine and the other modifications I'm gonna do to it, I don't, even without it, even with a 212 or 224, I was gonna put a 224, but nah, we're going big dog. That sucker right there, I don't trust it to stop. I don't trust that motherfucker to stop at all. So this is basically all we got right now. Let me shit, man, it's a mini bike build day. There's probably be a couple of parts, maybe 2 or 3 parts, and then get some riding video on it. And shit, we going in. First things first, put the frame to the side, the bars to the side. I gotta take this off. Gotta take the exhaust off. And shit, hit it with the brake clean, wipe it down, start painting. Real chrome. That shit look good. Now the reason I went with the spray can instead of getting it powder coated is because the powder coat gets fucked up. Guess what? You gotta take it apart and take it in to get powder coated. It gets scratched or chipped, I go get a spray can, and now I have to take it apart, mask around what I need to do, and just spray it down. Pretty much it is a wrap. Now the frame I did get from BAM, Back Alley Minis, but the wheelie bar was done at GTS. They did the wheelie bar. A lot of other people use rebar. I just didn't like the way it looked. It is like a classic look, but I didn't like the rebar, so I went with them. They hooked it up. I'm not saying what everything costs because they all vary, but the wheelie bar itself was $150. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be less, but I guess because GTS did the wheelie bar, they probably didn't like the fact that I had a BAM frame or something. I don't know. That's their beef. All right, holla at your boy. All right, if I forget, this is the kill switch. Hit the button, or if you fall, you pull the string or whatever. It's just two little dizzle whizzles. All right, man, let's do it. rods was all prepped. You see the little discoloration there? But she dry. She bone dry. That still won't come out. Nah. Alright. We'll see how it stick. Alright, y'all. Again, I'm going blue metallic. Color chrome. One step. Alright. She ready. Nice and dry. So shit. I'll give it a few little speeds. And then from there I'll cut it off and then good. I see where the pain's be on it. Alright, y'all. Shit. This is a quick little look, though. Not bad at all. I like that. I like that. Bam. And that's the seat. Now, I will say, it looks like there's some like runoff, a little bit of runoff, but because it's metallic chrome, kind of gives it like a marble look. So it's not supposed to have that runoff. I don't know if you can see it on video, but it looks good because it's the chrome. As you can see, it's popping here. Yeah. So I gotta let this dry, flip it over, and then shit, we start assembling. While this dries, I'm gonna go and change that tire out for the Hoosier. Clean all this stuff up. And man, shit, next video. Yeah. Stay tuned, man. Big things coming. Remember. Yeah. You see that. Yeah. That ain't just a sticker I put on there. That's the Rizzo Dizzle Nizzle. That's why I put the little Willy bar like I said earlier. But yeah, man, we're gonna cut this out right now. Ooh, look at that. Sun's coming on. That's gonna look real good. Kinda wanna touch it, but oh shit, it's soaked up pretty good. No it didn't. Yeah, let me stop. Let me leave this shit alone. Y'all, shit. Hopefully it's really good enough. We can slap your mama. Stay tuned, man. Big thanks. Big thanks.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.